Hi, congratulations. By now you have completed all the tutorials for basic training in HTML. And you may ask, why do I need to learn HTML? Because obviously there are very powerful tools that help us design websites. And that's true. Nobody uses Notepad to design web pages or website really. Now, just have a look here. If you want to use Notepad to design a web page like this hot potatoes web page, this is the only amount of HTML code that you have to write, and that would be, impossible. Simply impossible. Right, but there will be situations where your understanding of HTML will help you a lot, especially when you join discussion forum, when you do blogging, when you write emails. There are many cases, so let me give you 3 examples here. Now, first example, this is a website that I love to use in my training, the nicenet.org. One thing is not very convenient about niceness, though, that's when you write something and when you communicate, it does not include the tools for you to format the text. Like if you want to to embolden the text, italicize the text, there will be no tools for you to do that. And in these cases, sometimes you may need to, for example, include pictures in your message. So how you do that? Okay, the only thing you can do is to include some HTML tag in your message. Now, this is another situation that I think very useful for you when you have to work on your projects. Now, remember, in the project I require you to create some hot potato quizzes. And this is one of the hot potato quizzes that I say from projects for the previous classes. And write the first questions. This student put it here. We were obviously the correct answer should be this. But look at this. It's has some spelling mistake here, and for the right choice, this is unacceptable. So how do you correct it? Suppose that you have lost the source file for this hot pot quiz. Don't tell me that you are going to design everything from scratch. So in this case, a little understanding of HTML will help. It's really a savior. Just one more thing before we do that. You will never be able to use front page on Dreamweaver to correct this. Believe me. It will not allow you to do that. The only way is to deal right away with the code. So I just I just leave it here, and this is the source file. So now look at it again. There's a little mistake. Actually, we just correct this spelling mistake to make it perfect or held up. So I just look at this in the source file. So I open the web page with Notepad, and I'm not going to find it. I'm going to use the file tool for me. Let's see. Okay, there is one here. One of the choice. We had the improper spelling, and maybe another one. This is the text to display. So now I have fixed the misspelling. I save the file, close it, and now I refresh the browser to see what. Whoops! You see there? It's fixed. And in this case, I have used my knowledge of HTML to fix the problem. One more example. This is one of the labels I want to create for our Moodle course. And I have created a table with 2 columns. One column for the image and the other columns for the text. Now I changed my mind a little bit. I want to split the table into 3 and I want to, okay, basically I want to have 3 columns so that I can have you know, 2 pictures and okay, and you know, area for the text. So without understanding about HTML encoding, it will be very hard for me. I will have to delete the whole thing and you know, start everything again. But if I have got some basic understanding about HTML, I can turn it into HTML shorts, the code. And I see here, yeah, this is the HTML code for a table. So I put the table row here, and in order to have columns, we just have the what we call the TD tag, right? So 1 TD tag, 2 TD tag. So why don't we just copy this, okay, whole TD tag, and paste it here, right? And then I reset the first. So now if I turn it back, you see I have got 1, 2, and 3 columns. Now let's resize it to make it look a little bit better. So the width for the first column should be 30%. The second one also 30%, and for the last one let's make it 40%, and I turn it back. Voila, this is what I get. Now I can delete the pictures and then insert the other picture that I want. Alright, so that's it for HTML tutorial. I hope you enjoy working on these tutorials and find them useful later when you work with the applications of the internet. Well, goodbye for now.